You can wave it. Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with some more DIYs to share with you all for the spring, because you know, spring and summer is coming and we all want to spruce up our home for something new and fresh, a new and fresh decor to place within our home. So here are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY, and as always, everything will be listed for you down below in the description box for you guys to see what I use and where I got them from. All you do is scroll down where it says show more, click on that and open the description box. Alright everyone, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off with these nice little jars here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And our letters here. And we're just going to use the hot glue and glue them onto our jars. Now we're going to take these two incense sticks and glue them together, because we're going to make these for the hooks to hang our jars on. You can use some E6000 also, along with the hot glue. And now I'll be placing these hooks here to hang the jars on. I'm just going to take the jars and make sure I space out the hooks far enough before I glue them down. And now we're just gluing them down. And I'll be placing these LED lights into our jars. And here's our finished look. It's nice, simple, and easy DIY to do. The eat sign for your kitchen. It looks very nice. I like the farmhouse decor, like I told you guys before, and I'm trying to do a bit of decor with it. So this is my eat sign for the kitchen, and I love it with the LED lights inside, and the lights are also from the Dollar Tree. I think it looks super cute. And this is how it looks hanging on the wall. And here it is with the lights out. I think it looks very nice. Alright, here are the items that we'll be using for DIY number 2. And remember, everything will be listed down below. Okay, we have our container here. And we have some burlap that we'll be placing right around the bottom of the container. Now mine is a peel and stick one, but you can use any kind of burlap to go around. You just glue it down. And now we have our black bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and I'll be putting this going around the bottom also. And now I have this thinner piece of burlap. I'll be placing it around the top part of our container. And here is our finished look. I think it looks super cute to put your utensils in the kitchen. Oh, I think it looks so nice. And here we are with DIY number 3, which is my glam decor. You know I can't leave out my glam out of this. I love the glam. So I have to add in a glam kitchen decor to go with my spring refresh. Alright, here are the items and they will be listed down below. Okay, we have this jar here, and we have our silver and our black bling wrap from Totally Dazzled that I'll be adding right around the jar. Now I have these cute little stickers that I found at Michael's, so I will be adding these to our jar also. Now we have our containers. I did 2 like this and 1 like this. And I'll be adding this candlestick to it. Yes, we're adding our candlestick to our container, just one of them. And here is our finished look. I think it looks so nice. Lovely blinged out canisters for our nice spring refresh decor. I love how the bling looks on them, and I love how this one looks with the candle holder. Yeah, so it's elevated above the other two. Makes lovely canisters for your kitchen. And here's how they look with stuff inside. Yeah, you can place anything you want within these canisters. A lovely piece of kitchen decor. Love this eat decor with the lights inside. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of my farmhouse with a glam decor for your kitchen. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Press that like button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And thank you for coming on and seeing my DIYs today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless.